Usually everything that we work on starts with a 1.9 in front of it, but this time we have a 2001 Dodge Dakota Sport. It's been sitting for a minute. We're gonna, well, I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna start with see if it runs. So we're gonna get it in the shop. Surprisingly enough, it doesn't smell as bad as it looks on the outside. I think we found a gas receipt somewhere in here. It said the last time it was filled up was 2018. Oh yeah, we're gonna pressure wash that. No rust in the bed. I think I can still see paint on the frame. Just look at it. Oh yeah. All right, let's get in this side. We'll see if she runs. Like I said, the frame's still got color on it. Inner rockers. I disconnected the drive shaft to tow it. I can't tell, but that sounds full to me. So, all right. Well, we'll get the drive shaft hooked up real quick and bring it back down to the ground.
Found rust.
You found rust? Where?
Right here. A little bit.
That doesn't really count. No. That doesn't count. Not yet, anyway. And there's some coolant in there. Okay. Good. Just. All right, shut it off. Oh, hold on a minute. All right, just turn the key on. We don't want to. I don't want to crank it yet. Turn it off and turn it on. Off. On. Off. On. All right, now crank it. Good, good, shut it off. Oh, wow. That fuel doesn't look that bad. It don't look great, but it doesn't look bad. Crank it over. It does smell terrible, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Hold it down to the floor, and then start it. Good, let's drain the gas tank.
It's alive!
What do you think about this unit? Well, how much time do you think we got in this? A couple hours? There's still a ton of work left to get done, though. You think you want to vacuum it today? All right. Thanks for watching.